What's up, girlies? I'm going to share my OPI collection with you. I just have 13 for now. I organized them from lightest to darkest. And I'll start over here. This is called Timeless is More. It's like an off-white. I use it specifically for an American manicure tip. Love it. This is called Moon Over Mumbai. It's like a grayish white. It has that grayish tint to it. It's a really nice neutral color. This is called I'll Take the Cake. I think this was part of a wedding collection or a bridal collection. It's a soft baby pink. I like it a lot. It's really pretty. The camera doesn't really do justice to these colors. If you see them in person, you could see better. You can see the color better, that is. This one's called Makes Men Blush. This is also like a creamy beigey pink. It has an iridescence to it. This one is called Catch the Garter. It's also part of the same bridal collection as I'll Take the Cake. It's like a classic pink, like a bubblegum pink almost. It's really, really pretty. Very pretty. This one is called Coney Island Cotton Candy. It's more beigey, as you can see. You can see it's more, like if you compare it to this one, it's not as pink. It's almost beigey, but I like it. It's cute on the, and you only really need one coat depending on how dark you like it. This is called Dulce de Leche. It's a creamy beigey color. That's the best way to describe it. It goes on nicely. It's a nice neutral color, especially for, if you're just going to work or whatever. This one is a favorite. I love this one. It's called Barefoot in Barcelona. It's from the España collection, I believe. It's a darker, but it's a neutral, like darker nude. It's gorgeous. Love it. It makes your fingers look so nice. This one is called Baguette Me Not. I guess like a take on Forget Me Not. It's like a corally color almost, like coral. I don't want to say too pink, but kind of like a pink coral. It's really pretty. I got this one 50% off along with that one there. I think it was at Sally's. I don't know. I can't remember. But yeah, this one is called Not So Bora Boring Pink. It's got like an iridescence to it also. It's a darker pink. It's really pretty. This one is called Color So Hot It Burns. I just got that one recently. It's like a very red. It's really cute. I love it. I haven't tried it yet, but I like reds. This one is one of my favorites. It's called Pamplona Purple. Oh my god, it's like a beautiful purple. You should definitely get that one. Sorry. Oh, I'm running out of time. Okay, this is called International Dateline. Got that forever ago. It's like a deep burgundy. And then I have my Nicole by OPI over here too. This is like a sparkly black. This is like a super iridescent pink. It's called Enchantress. And this one's called Blush of Adrenaline. That's like a neutral, like whitish.